What's up, family? Today we down $177, 2% in the portfolio, and we at, let's see, XRP. We're at 1,065. We barely up 0.9 on XRP. We hanging in there. Bought some more today, but you just gotta buy now when you reach those levels and you get to the goal, because the goal for me was to get to that 1,000 of really everything. You want 1,000,000 Satoshis on the Bitcoin, or 0.1 is a tenth of a Bitcoin. That'll be like $8,000, $8,700 right now. And Misty, we just want to stack shares. We sitting at 140 shares now. Dollar cost average $29.98. Market value $3,100, $3,185, and we down $1,012.82, 24%. But as it pays us, we're gonna keep averaging down, buying more shares, more and more and more. Now, if you're on the Misty challenge that I have put out, what was it, 3 months ago? This will be our 4th distribution, and you should be at 137 shares if you're putting the money right back into Misty and you're not spending it at all. You see, I have 140, but I had went and took that money, made a little money, and came back, bought that, went and bought SMCI, a couple shares of that. Get back in that, because that's finna boom too, and all this stuff. I got some Amazon. Just following this stuff that I want to fall into. I got some Palo Alto networks, and this is cloud. They do cloud, but this is a cybersecurity company. They do cybersecurity, and they're gonna be one of the ones. You feel what I'm saying? We're gonna fall into that, and that's what we're falling into: Amazon, Misty, SMCI, Nvidia, Palo Alto, Bitcoin, XRP. And like when you get to your goals, like you say you want 1,000, and after you get to that 1,000, every time it drop towards your dollar cost average, you gotta go buy some, cause that's the most optimal time for you to buy some. Or if it go under your dollar cost average, you want to buy some too to bring your dollar cost average down, family, so that you can be basically getting cheaper. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin start to fall. We want to be buying it, y'all. Because this is stuff that's going to change your life. I promise you. I got about 8 people that can attest. We bought these coins at 24 cents, the XRP. And now you see it. It's $2.37, y'all. And we had thousands of them. So you just think about that. But that's just one investment. I'm telling you to buy Bitcoin, dollar cost average when it fall. Or if you don't have a position, go ahead and establish one. Misty, you might not have 100 shares, but you can start accumulating. You know what I'm saying? And then if you want to establish a Roth IRA and put money in there, I got some Misty in here. Got 19 shares of Misty in here. It's down, but Misty down. Then I got the SPY in there. We're going into that too. We're going into all of this stuff, y'all. We're going to be strategic. And then we got Nvidia. It's down there towards the dollar cost average. See that? I'm barely up on Nvidia. It's time to buy that one again, y'all. SMCI, I should buy some more of that. But we just going to see. We're going to trickle in. And then once it's optimal for us to buy, we're going to go fall all in. And I don't want to leave y'all, but, man, it's going to be a roller coaster. You just got to be in it. You got to be buying so you can see what I'm talking about. But if you don't got a portfolio, we need to set you up a portfolio. I'm going to throw a link in the chat so y'all can sign up and get your portfolio or brokerage. You can get you a Roth IRA or a regular individual account. I suggest you get Roth IRAs when you invest in long term, and you move through that. You know, you taking when you pull money out, it's tax free, so it don't hurt you when you taking money out of there. You know what I'm saying? But understand how stuff work. We got to be getting information. But y'all stay tuned and y'all stay encouraged, man. I love y'all. Peace.